So, I would like to thank Keysights for being a patron for EuCNC and the 60 Summits. It's a pleasure to have Keysights with us and demonstrating a lot of technology, which I'm sure is going somewhere in the direction of 6G. So in your view, what are the key challenges for 6G these days?
Oh, great question. Well, first of all, thank you for having us. It's a pleasure to be here and be in front of customers and demonstrating our capability. So for 6G, that's a good question. It's a very broad topic, right? So I could talk to one specific topic, which is the use of sub-terahertz spectrum. Sub-terahertz frequencies are of interest because there are large swaths of contiguous spectrum available, potentially to help achieve data throughput rates of 100 gigabit per second to a terabit per second. Of course, it comes with a lot of challenges, right? One of the challenges is that that spectrum is relatively unknown. So researchers are going to want to do things like channel sounding. In addition, they're going to want to try to understand what type of performance is achievable up at sub-terahertz frequencies. So in the booth, at the Keysight booth, we are demonstrating Keysight sub-terahertz testbed for 6G research. It's a testbed that is scalable in frequency. It could be used for D-band, which is 110 to 170 gigahertz. It could be used for G-band, 140 to 220 gigahertz, and it also can be used for H-band, which is 220 to 330 gigahertz. And we have demonstrated performance for D and G-band for up to 10 gigahertz of modulation bandwidth, and for 220 to 330 gigahertz with up to 30 gigahertz of bandwidth. The testbed's very flexible, it's very scalable. Researchers can try different waveforms that they think might be potential candidate 6G waveforms. They can play with different frequencies, different bandwidths, and so it allows researchers a lot of flexibility in being able to navigate and kind of navigate through the changes of 6G as it kind of evolves.
Okay, so it's just now in our community to really dig into these frequencies and do the testing, right?
Yep.
And do the development.
Yep. Just go ahead and use the test bed and try the different things that you'd like to try to research what you think are proposed candidate frequencies and waveforms for 6G.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.